60 divided by 5 times 7 minus 5. You've got 5 seconds. Go! Did you say 6? Because if you did, you just fell into the trap. Here's what most people do. First, they solve inside the parentheses. 7 minus 5, that's 2. Then they see 5 right next to the parentheses and multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 60 divided by 10 equals 6. Seems right. Until it's not. The order of operations, PEMDAS, has rules that most people forget. Let's go through them. Step 1. Parentheses. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Easy. And here's where everyone messes up. That 5 times 2, it's not a single unit. It's just multiplication in disguise. After parentheses, PEMDAS says multiplication and division, left to right. They have equal priority. So we don't do 5 times 2 first. We go left to right. 60 divided by 5 first. That's 12. Then we multiply by 2. The correct answer isn't 6, it's 24. Here's the rule you need to remember. When multiplication and division appear together, you work left to right, whichever comes first. The notation 5 times 2 is just multiplication. It doesn't get special treatment. If the expression was 60 divided by 5 times 2, nobody would get it wrong. But write it as 60 divided by 5 times 2, and suddenly half the internet fights about it.